So this piece was glued on, and I finally got the glue separated. As you can see, well, kind of, sort of, broken, cracked. It was in an accident, so I'm rebuilding it. Another thing left, sorry about the shadow, is this piece right here. You can see it's no longer flat. You need to pull on this forward, support the back, pull it backwards, and hopefully with a little bit of luck I can flatten this thing out, and that's it. Right now, the reason why I need to straighten it is because the motor mounts, as you can see, is no longer in the center, and the starter and primary clutch rubs up against this piece. So once I put in the new one, it's going to rub even worse. Go figure. Crazy or genius? Trying to straighten this piece. Finally got me some new parts. These are the old ones, busted, dented. Now I've got some new stuff and exhaust. That's my new key. So close. So got my oil hooked back up. Got everything else in place, just temporarily put together. Got the exhaust just held on temporarily.